Hello guys, I use smartphone Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus. Start unpacking device in the red color. Okay, on the front side we have 6-inch display. In complementation, guarantee papers. Adapter for charging. Key for SIM slot. Micro USB cable. And headphones we have in complementation. Okay, good. Red color device, double camera, main double camera LED. On the front side 6-inch display, front camera, talk speaker, sensors and the front LED. On the left side power key, volume keys. On the right side power key and speaker. On this side we have two slot for 2 nano SIM cards and micro SD card for memory. Upside without controls, downside we have headphone jack, microphone and micro USB port. Turn on device. Resolution HD, TFT display and glass display. Open settings, look Android version, about phone, Android 8.1.0, Samsung Experience 8.9.5, version Ox 3.2. Close this and open test Geekbench 4. Benchmarks. CPU Qualcomm 420. This is quad-core processor. CPU speed 1.4 GHz. Adreno 308. RAM memory 3 GB. Intel memory 32 GB. So look, results. CPU test results. Single core score and multi-core score. And GPU test results. Open next test, Antutu Benchmark, look Antutu score. Antutu score. And multi-touch test. Device support 5 touches. Open demanded game PUBG Mobile and look how this game works on the device. Okay, game load. Works good. Medium graphic. Game works smoothly without lags. We can play this game without problem. Okay, close game, works good. And talk about camera. Main camera, double camera, 3 includes 5 megapixels and front camera 8 megapixels. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.